Okay, so for number 1, it says identify the terms. So you're going to have to write the word terms. Like terms, you're going to need to write coefficients and constants. Terms are basically everything in this expression. You just put commas in between. So we're going to write 5n, comma. I know that looks like a minus, but we can write this as a negative 2n, comma, negative 3, comma, and n. All right, next, like terms. The like terms are either your constants, if you have a couple constants, or any variable with the same exponent. So your like terms for this would be 5n, negative 2n, and n, the single n. The 3 here, I'm just going to circle this, negative 3 does not have a like term. If the problem would have had something like plus 5, then those would be like terms, but it does not. So negative 3 does not have a like term. Then coefficients are the number multiplied by the variable. So the coefficients would be 5, and that's coming from the 5n, negative 2, that's coming from the negative 2n, and what's in front of the n? If you don't see any number, there is a number, and it's just kind of like it's hiding. Yeah?
1.
A 1. And so even though we don't see it, there is a 1 here, so we're going to have to list that. The last one is constants. Constants are your numbers without a variable. There was only one number without a variable, and that was this minus 3 or negative 3. You are done. You're not solving anything more. You just have to list everything. For number 2, what we talked about in class is we put a triangle around the 4p, and then we go through the rest of our expression. Are there any other p's to the first power? Yes.
Positive 6p.
Okay, so that is a like term, so I'm going to put that one in a triangle. Then let's go on to the minus 7 or negative 7. Is there any other constants that would match this? Yes?
Positive 10.
Good, positive 10 or plus 10. Now I say let's match our shapes. This triangle and the triangle, so 4p plus 6p is 10p. Now let's match our circles. Negative 7 plus 10, so that's what I'm doing, negative 7 plus 10. What is negative 7 plus 10? Yep? 3. Now I can't just put it 3 like that. What do I need between there?
Plus.
Yeah, a plus sign, okay? So your first 3 problems, you're going to have to do like 1 and actually list out terms, like terms, coefficients, and constants. Your last 6 problems are going to look like this, and you just have to simplify.